Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're making shortbread cookies. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. So the ingredients for this recipe are powdered sugar and corn flour, and we also need flavor and softened butter, room temperature butter. It has to be that soft. And we also need our flour and our large mixing bowl. Very simple. You know, on this channel I give you easy peasy recipes. So we're just going to put this aside and now start with the process of making our cookie. So first thing we're going to do is add our butter, our softened butter, into our large mixing bowl, followed by the powdered sugar. So now I'm going to give you a little history about how this cookie came about. So it was originated from Scotland during the 12th century, and it's a unique biscuit because it doesn't require any leavening agents such as baking powder or baking soda, and it is widely associated with Christmas festivities. So the main ingredients are flour, butter and powdered sugar, and the name was formed because of its crumbly texture. So the common shape for these cookies are the thick oblong slab cut into little fingers. So now you know a little history about this cookie. Now I know a lot of you have had fond memories with this cookie while growing up. Let me know in the comment section your fond childhood memory with this cookie. Now back to our recipe. So our butter and sugar is well mixed and is smooth. So the next thing we're going to go in with our flavor, and you just mix that in again. Please do well to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with my videos. So now I'm just adding the corn flour into the flour and mix everything together, and then we're just going to pour it into our butter mixture. So the next thing, we're just going to fold the mixtures together, let them come together as a dough. You can use your hand straight up, but I just chose to use the spatula, and I later went in with my hands to properly mold the dough together. So you're just going to mold it, you're just going to mix it and let it come together as a ball. I'm going to be leaving the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box down below, so do check the description box for the list of ingredients. So now our dough is looking good and is all combined. So I'm just going to cover this inside the bowl with a cling film, and I'm going to chill it for 1 hour. And please don't freeze it, just put it in your refrigerator for 1 hour. So this is an hour later. So we're going to get our pan and we're going to put our dough into our pan. So the pan size we're using is 9 by 9 square pan, and you're going to line it with a parchment paper and an extra sticking out from the pan, so you can just easily lift the cookie when it's ready. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to use my palm, my hand, to just flatten the dough into the pan, getting a perfect square, and also making sure that the top of the dough is smooth. So just try your best to make it flat on the surface and smooth on the surface, so that your cookie can come out looking very beautiful. And you can also go in with your spatula, whatever thing that will make it easy for you to just smoothen the top. You're free to use it. So now my dough is flat. So the next thing, I'm just going to use a scraper, or you can use a knife, whatever you need to just use. You can use it to just make straight lines across the dough, and this helps with when you're done baking the cookie, it would easily separate from itself. So just make straight lines, equal lines all across the dough. And then you go across, you turn over and make a divide between the lines. And afterwards you get a fork and just make little markings on top of the dough just to decorate it. And then we're going to bake in our preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and our cookie is ready. So now I'm just going to separate each of the cookie slab and put them separately, and you can store this in an airtight container for about a week, or in your refrigerator for about 10 days. You need to try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. See how nice they look and very crumbly. So give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you.